Congratulations on creating a draft of your resume. This document will help you present yourself professionally to potential employers, admissions officers, scholarship committees, and other decision makers. In this lesson, you created a draft of your resume using a template in Google Docs. First, you chose a template that suited your personal style or the opportunity you are applying for. Then, you replaced the template text with your information. You added your own contact information, experience, and education. You decided which sections of the template to fill in, change, or delete to fit your needs. You made a lot of excellent progress, and the most important parts of your resume are complete. However, this is just a draft. Before submitting your resume for a job or school, there are a few steps left to complete. First, make sure each section of the template is filled in completely. Proofread your resume closely to correct any spelling or grammatical errors. Likewise, even though templates are very helpful guides, they cannot guarantee that formatting or spacing errors won't occur. Be sure to correct any inconsistencies in the layout of your resume, such as missing bullets or differences in font style. Consider sharing your resume with a friend, family member, or classmate so they can give you additional feedback. Anytime you want to work on your resume, find it in Google Drive, where it is saved automatically. Go to google.com and sign in to your Google account. Then, find the resume in your Drive. Or type the file name into the search bar. Open the file and continue working on your resume. Congratulations on starting your resume. You are on your way to achieving your professional, educational, or personal goals.